Today, we'll be looking at a beginner crash course on how to make money from AXIOM trading. So this is for beginners. But first of all, I have a course that is going on right now, which I will train you, teach you, guide you on how to trade profitably on AXIOM. There's a promo going on for only those that are watching from YouTube. So you have a 50% discount, that is 50% off. Once you click the link on the description or the link on the pinned comment to message me, you're going to get a 50% discount. So the cost is $70, but you are going to pay $30 if you click the link below, because the link below has the promo code. So click the link below to message me if you're interested in the course. So let's get into the video. We have the three most important session here, which is the new pair, finance stress, and migrated. These are the session we trade. So, but we have three type of traders, because we have the ones that trade just new pairs, we have the ones that trade finance stress, we have the one that only focus on migrated. Me, I only focus also on migrated token. So some people trade the TV, some people trade the two finance stress and migrated, some people only trade one. With your observing and strategy, you can choose which side to focus on, or you can decide to trade the TV. So these are new pairs. New pairs are tokens that are just newly created. They're just newly created. Anybody can create a token in Pump the Firm, in Let's Bank. Anyone can create any token in there. So every token that was created will be shown in this new pairs. All token that was created will be shown in this new pairs. So it depends on your filter. We are going to look more into filter. That this is financials. These are tokens that are getting attraction. People are investing, people are buying it, people are putting money to it, people are trading it. So it is getting the amount of volume that might go into migration, that might go into migration. So these are the pairs that are people, because new pairs are token being created. People are just creating token and just showing. Financial app, now the token is not getting attention. People are trading it. It's not like having a potential to migrate, having a potential to migrate. So once, and it's not all that will migrate, because now it has a potential to migrate. So some will live here and migrate and come to here. So first of all, every token starts from the new pair, the finance shares, people start treating it, started having attention, then it move to migrated. So the new pair is high risk, the risk has been lower, the risk has been reduced. So migrated token are token that has left the platform, because let's enter the filter, because we have pump, we have belief, we have moonshot, we have bunk, we have Jupiter Studio, we have Monit, we have bump, we have launch lab, we have dynamic BC. So these are platform that allows you to create token, that allows you to create token for free. You're not paying any money to create. You're only just paying gas fee. New pairs and financials are still in those platform. They have not left those platform. They are seeing those platform. So to see it on a dex to buy is something like, is not like accessible, like on Jupiter, on Radium. To see there to buy on their dex, on Pump Swap, is not available, because they are still in the platform. So once it gets migrated, the token leave the platform and goes into a DEX, which the token and the liquidity will be added. So now, if there's a new pair, you cannot buy a new pair on Jupiter that is created on Pump the Fund. You cannot buy it on Jupiter or any DEX. It's the same with finance trade. But once you get migrated, you can go to those exchange and just buy it. You don't need to use platform like the platform that it was created in, or use something like AXIOM to buy them. You just need to, once you have the C, just go to the exchange and buy them. So right here on the migrated, we have a lot of traders that are ready to trade here. So that's why it's more safe, because people are ready to trade it. They're ready to trade it because token has now been exposed to larger, wider audience. So migrated becomes safer to trade. So the most important thing now, we have to look into our filter. So we're going to look into filter. Filter is very important. Filter is very important. So as of now, what I focus to trade is token created from pump the fund. So we have Bonk. Bonk is good. Bonk is good. Bonk is really good. But I don't yet have a trade on trading token that is created from Bonk. So I only focus on pump the fund token creation. So the minute I use is 3, but the advisable limit to use, minimum limit to use, that is the time that it got migrated. How many minutes has it survived migration? So the best minute to use is 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to use 10 minutes. But the minimum minute I use is 3 minutes. Then then volume is very important. Let's go to metric. Volume is very important. You need a minimum of 100,000 volume. 100,000 volume. 100,000 volume. So minimum of 100,000 volume. So you go to socials and click on at least one social. So at least it must have one social account. If you want to be specific, you can click on anyone. But I use the at least it must have one social account. Instead that it has a Telegram website or a Twitter account, I'm good. So once I use this filter, then the minimum market cap is 20,000 market cap. 20,000 market cap. So the minimum global fee is 7. So with global fee, you'll be able to identify which one is a scam token or which one is a legit token. So if you need to match it with the volume. So if we have like uh, like 200k volume and the global fee is below 10, 200k and global fee is below 10, that is that token does not have too much traders, which means that it can be a group of people that just manipulating it to just create a volume so that people can buy and they will dump. But once he has over like 200,000 volume and he has a global fee above 10, which means that people are really trading this token. The global fee help you to identify scam token. So minimum is 7, the global fee. They go back to edit top 10 orders. So top 10 orders means the top 10 people holding a certain percentage of the token. So as a beginner, you have to use between 15 to 20% max. But I am using 28%. 28% max. So the top 10 orders are not holding more than 28% of the token. Bundle, the same minimum max of bundle, that is the wallet. Like some wallet, somebody can have like one 10 wallet or 20 wallet or 100 wallet, and they'll just click a transaction to buy with one wallet, and the rest 99 wallet will just buy. So now they just bundled the token. So we don't need any wallet to have more than 20% of the any bundle wallet to have more than 20% of the token. Because if you have more than 20% of the token, they can just sell off and take all the money, the liquidity pool, and you lost your money. So max is 20. So minimum orders, I put 100 minimum orders. So that is it, 100 minimum orders. Dev holding. So dev is the person that created the token. So the dev should not be holding more than 5% of the token. So the max should be 5. So the dev should not be holding more than 5% of the total supply of the token. So I think that is it. Then these are the token that is available for us to trade. Now I can now like make my research, check on the volume, check on the time, and be able to trade, make profits. So again, if I break this down in the course, so that I break this down in the course, show you ready to use, make you understand everything in the course. You'll be able to understand a lot in that course, and you'll be able to make money trading in the trenches. So if you're interested, check the link in the description below or the comment section to message me. And don't forget, the link to AXIOM is on the description below on the comment section. And also, if you want me to expose my strategy to you, Let's get to 1,000 subscriber. I'm going to show you my strategy. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.